In this problem we have 40 divided by 40 divided by 40 times 40. According to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. And now let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 40 divided by 40, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 40 times 40. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 40, which can be written as 1 over 40 times 40. Now we can easily cancel this 40 and this 40, which equals 1. So our final answer for this problem is just 1.